Welcome to the next mission report. Today we're talking about how to use direct mail to drive traffic back to your website. Welcome to the next mission report. Welcome back, I'm Norman Kinsey. You're on the Mission Report designed to give you weekly advice, quick tips on very specific ways as a realtor you can grow, scale, and automate your business using online marketing techniques. So this is one way we like to give back here at Liftoff Agent. Today we're talking about how you could use direct mail to drive traffic back to your website. Have you thought about using mailers or sending out mailers? The first thing that pops up here, Every Door Direct, you probably heard about that through United States Postal Service, one of the cheapest ways to send out mailers. And a lot of times, traditionally, realtors send out coming soon, just sold, just listed, market stats to the individuals in, say, a farm or say 500 to 1,000 homes that they farm, they send mailers to, they door knock and what have you, the traditional way. Now, right now what we want to talk about is, and we're going to go ahead and give a shout out to another company. This company here is Man, so MANN/co.com, manco.com, and this is going to give you a couple tips and suggestions. Give a shout out to these guys over here on how to use direct mail and how to increase your website traffic at the same time, because realistically data is everything. The more data you have behind your mailers, the more you're going to have success. So if you send out 500 mailers and then you drive them to your website with a URL link, you can find out how many people went to that website from the 500 mailers, and you could track it with Google Analytics. If you had a video, you could track that, and if you had a sign up form, you could track that as well. So what they're saying here is the number one thing you need to do is have a URL, which we just talked about, driving traffic to, say, a landing page or website. Include a special offer, have a limited time for that offer. Use your email sign up, so have them put in their email, sign up for something that's going on. You can promote an event, are some things that they say that you basically could do. So those are 5 different tips. Now, to be honest, what I would highly recommend, and I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of one of our clients, is basically just keep it super simple and drive them to your website and drive them to maybe a page like, so you have like the buying process or first time home buyer process here with Lori, but drive them to a location. And I'd rather show you this page here because this is actually going to show you a video. Drive them to, say, a page like this and literally have a page something like this. This is a specific approach for Lori. Are you looking at downsize? But what we suggest at Liftoff Agent, send on a mailer, keep it super simple, and say, I would like to introduce myself. Go to johndoe.com and then you direct them directly to this page here. And right here, you go ahead and just introduce yourself on a video. You build a know, like, and trust factor. You give them a little bit of insights behind your story. You could do some little bit of editing, and then from there, you can have a sign up page here if they want to go ahead and set up maybe a online Zoom meeting, and you can answer any of their questions, concerns, comments about buying and selling process. That's what we would do to keep it super simple. So we hope you enjoyed today's mission report. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below with what you're maybe already doing or what was helpful for you on today's mission report. And we're going to take this to the next level. There's going to be some links below for a couple things you could do. You can go ahead and get your website audit. There's a link below for that. You can also find out your exposure grade, and you can go ahead and grade yourself today and your company's exposure. There's a link for that below. And the last thing we're going to give you is our strategy questionnaire to deep dive into your strategy. Now, when you fill out the strategy questionnaire, we are going to reach out to you and offer you a no obligation strategy meeting to deep dive into your marketing approach online and give you some suggestions and some tips to help you with your business. So thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Thursday when today's video is filmed, and we'll see you next Tuesday for the next mission report, and have a fantastic weekend ahead. Thank you so much for completing the mission report video here on YouTube. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment below with what mission you have already carried out for your business to be entered in to win the next $2,500 IDX real estate website. We give them away on a quarterly basis, and you can also set yourself up with a live free discovery meeting so we can deep dive into your online marketing approach, give you some suggestions, and of course, if it makes sense and you would like to sign up with us, we'll give you $250 off the startup costs, and we'll see you for the next mission report.